Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Find N2 Flip. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. As you can see, we've got two Files app, Files by Google and My Files. Firstly, let's go to My Files app. It's the app provided by OPPO. Thanks to this app, you can enter your device storage, divided to categories like photos, videos, audio, documents, apps, and archives. Also, you can go to Downloads, OPPO Share, Bluetooth, Private Save, and Recently Deleted. Then you can go to Recents and Tag. Let's go to Files by Google, and in Files by Google, you can also check your internal storage. Go to Save Folder and Features. Also, you can clean the junk files and use Nearby Share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. If you go to menu, you've got access to Recycle Bin. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.